Subhashini teacher. Today I am going to teach you about prepositions for grade 3. Do you know what are prepositions? Preposition is a word that can be used before a noun, a pronoun or noun phrase to show direction, time, place or location to introduce an object. There are so many prepositions, but today we are going to learn about in, on, between, in front of, next to, behind, over and under. Our first preposition is on. On is used to indicate position, usually indicating that something is on top of something else. For example, my book is on the table. Look at this picture. What you can see, there is a table and there is a book. Now tell me, where is the book? The book is on the table. The book is on the table. Second example, he sat on the stone wall. See, there is a wall. The boy sat on the stone wall. Third example, the cat is on the chair. See, the beautiful picture, no? There is a cat. Now tell me, where is the cat? The cat is on the chair. Our next preposition is in. In is also used to note a specific occupation or function and used to indicate times of the day, months, years and every season. For example, she works in the office. She works in the office. Second example, he sits in the corner of the room. See, there is a boy. He sits in the corner of the room, no? So, third example, the bookmark is in the book. See, the bookmark is in the book. Our next preposition is under. We use under to talk about something that below or lower than something else. For example, the ball is under the table. Now, look at this picture. Where is the ball? Yeah, you are correct. The ball is under the table. Next example, the dog is under the table. Where is the dog? Yeah, the dog is under the table. Third example, my sister is under the tent. What is the? My sister is under the tent. Our next preposition is between. You can use between when there are more than two elements involved, and you can use between for any number of elements as long as the elements are separate and distinct. For example, he stood between his mother and his father. Where is the baby? The baby stood between his mother and his father. Second example, the dog is between two boxes. There are two boxes. The dog is in the middle. Third example, the pond is between the two rocks. The pond is between the two rocks. Our next preposition is in front of. In front of means close to the front of something or someone. For example, the dog is barking front of the fire. Look at this picture. There is a dog. No? So, next example, she is in front of the television. There is a girl. The girl is in front of the television. Last example, there is a dancing group. They dance in front of everyone. Our next preposition is next to. You use next to in order to give the most important aspect of something when comparing it with another aspect. Example, there is a little girl next to him. There is a boy and there is a girl. There is a little girl next to him. Our next preposition is behind. To mean something is following or back. For example, the sun peeped out from behind the clouds. See this picture? Where is the sun? The sun is behind the clouds. Next example, she hid behind the tree. See, she hid behind the tree. Our next preposition is over. We use over to talk about movement or position at a higher level than something else. For example, a beautiful white bird flew over the lake. There is a beautiful white bird, no? So, the bird flew over the lake. So, next example is the dog is jumping over the fence. There is a dog. The dog is jumping over the fence. So, children, that's all for today. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. God bless you.